Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Dialogflow API. This gives you the platform. Next, make a service account and grant Dialogflow permissions so your bot can connect securely. Once done, collect core intents, list the user goals and at least 5 sample phrases per intent because Dialogflow learns from examples. Make sure to decide ES versus CX early. ES for simple agents, CX for complete, stateful flows. Now, open the Dialogflow console and create your agent to start building. You now define intents and map entities so the agent understands meaning. Add 5 to 20 training phrases per intent and label the entity spans. This improves recognition. Then create entities for values you need, dates, numbers, SKU, so extraction is reliable. Once labeled, configure responses. Use quick replies and rich messages for UI, and wire a webhook if you need backend logic or database access. Test frequently in the console simulator. Iterate phrases until intent detection and entity extraction are consistently accurate. You finish by integrating the agent into your chosen channel and deploying the webhook. Export credentials and use the SDK or integration panel to connect web chat, messenger, or a mobile app. Make sure your webhook uses HTTPS and verifies tokens. After deployment, monitor session logs and intent match rates. Adjust training phrases and entity lists based on real inputs. If things go wrong, check API quotas, service account permissions, and webhook logs first. Those are the most common failure points to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.